Right, just had to cut the video just to get something out, and there was just too much noise, so I'm going to put the doorknob on that thing. But before I do, this is gonna be the last look before I put the doorknob in it, because after I put it, it's gonna look very bad and it's just not gonna look that good. You can see what's inside. Right now I got that open, and I'm just gonna go ahead and zoom in. You guys can see what's inside the garage door. And there it is. It's an old door, and there's a lock. The lock already fell down. Alright guys. Oops. I just found the lock for this thing. And when I opened it, there was just no lock inside. This lock just keeps falling off. Alright, now I'm gonna get inside and see what it looks like when we lock it. Now I'm gonna close the door. Lock it. Alright, I'm back. I just had to cut the clip, because I had to go outside and get something. Not get something, but check on something. But this is my new toy. I got this at the marketplace 2 months ago. I got this one at the marketplace as well. I forgot what Target store I got it, but this one, that one I got at the marketplace, but I'm not sure about this one. And this door is gonna get replaced pretty soon. Take a look at. It's just gonna get replaced. Look, see, just. Look at that, so they can break it apart. No lock. There's no lock on this thing. Now it's gonna be replacing it. It's time to replace in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.